Aloha, and welcome to day 2 of Holiday Harmony, Scripts for Hard Conversations. So today we're focusing on scripts for hard conversations, especially the ones that tend to show up during the holidays. If you're AuDHD or neurodivergent, holiday conversations can feel exhausting. Now, you may feel pressured to explain yourself, defend your choices, tolerate intrusive questions, or mask discomfort just to keep the peace. So today is about giving you words you can lean on so you don't have to think on the spot or over explain when your nervous system is already stretched. Now, why holiday conversations are so draining? That's because they combine emotional history, expectations, and social pressure all at once. You may be navigating people who don't respect your boundaries, ask personal or intrusive questions, dismiss your needs or your diagnosis altogether. They expect emotional labor from you and to trigger old family dynamics. Struggling in these moments doesn't mean you lack communication skills. It just means the situation is demanding more than your nervous system can comfortably give. So scripts are pre-planned phrases that protect your energy and reduce decision fatigue. They are support, not manipulation. They are not rude. They are not dishonest. They are not manipulation. Scripts are simply a form of self-support. They help you respond without freezing, fawning, or over-explaining. And you're allowed to prepare language ahead of time, especially in environments that are emotionally or socially demanding. Why are scripts helpful? Well, they're especially helpful when you feel put on the spot. You notice you're getting anxious. You're tempted to over-explain again, and you're masking to avoid conflict. And most of all, you feel emotionally flooded. So using a script gives your nervous system a pause. It allows you to stay grounded instead of reacting and overreacting from stress. Here are some examples of short neutral scripts you can use as is or you can adapt. I'm not comfortable discussing that. I'm keeping things simple this year. I'm not getting into that today. That doesn't work for me. I'll think about it and I'll let you know. Notice how these scripts don't include long explanations. You do not owe justification for your boundaries. And notice also how calm I kept the responses, just very simple, nothing exaggerated. You don't have to lose your cool. You don't have to be extra, as they say. Just state your simple boundary scripts and then move on. So redirection is another powerful tool. You want to redirect without over explaining. You can acknowledge and redirect any conversation without engaging deeply. For example, I hear you. Anyway, how was your trip? That's not something I'm focusing on right now. Or, I'm here to enjoy the day, not debate. Let's go do this, or let's talk about this, that, and the other. And just direct it away from the current topic. Redirection keeps the conversation moving while protecting your emotional energy. Now, sometimes the safest boundary is leaving the conversation. This is where we talk about exit strips. Leaving a conversation is not failure, it's regulation. So exit scripts might sound like, I need to step outside for a bit. I'm going to go grab some quiet time. I'm feeling a bit overstimulated. I'll be back later. And just keep it moving. Just simple. Many neurodivergent adults over-explain to avoid conflict or being misunderstood. I learned that at a young age, and it took me dozens, I was going to say hundreds, but dozens of years to stop that. Because over-explaining often increases exhaustion and it invites more questions. So it is a complete boundary, can be one sentence. The word no is a complete boundary too. And silence after issuing a boundary is allowed. And I suggest it. Just say your boundary and drop it and move on. And if you're feeling uncomfortable, it doesn't mean you did something wrong. It just means that you're learning how to navigate this, and just keep practicing. You'll get better at it as you go. And don't forget to remember your exit strategies from your peace plan. You can include a clear time limit, a separate ride or transportation, such as a ride share. You can order a car, a Uber, a code word with a partner or a friend, and a quiet activity that you can do on your own. You can always take step-away breaks, as many as you need, and leave early without guilt is an option. Your exit strategy makes it easier to honor your peace without pressure or shame. So today's action step is to choose your go-to scripts. Take a few minutes to choose 2 or 3 scripts from the workbook, which you can find in the download link in the description and the pinned comment, and choose those that feel supportive and realistic for you. You can also write them down, right inside of your workbook if you print it out. You can save them on your phone or practice them quietly to yourself. Now, next in day 3, we will focus on executive function support during the holidays, reducing your task overwhelm and saving your energy during this chaotic time. And you are allowed to protect your peace with your words. So have fun practicing this. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comments. Or if you'd like to add something to this, and I can add it at the end of this course and have a live or chat, put that in the comments too. I'd love to hear what you've got to say, and I'd love to hear how these worked for you. So that's it for day. See you in day 3. Aloha.